Hello friends, in this video I will give you some brief information. As you know, it is a problem that Windows users always encounter. Sometimes it is an annoying problem. So what is this problem? Windows blue screen error. Yes, why does Windows give a blue screen error? The first reason is your computer's hardware, namely the graphics card, processor, sound card, and other components. The second reason is the drivers in the computer. The third reason is viruses that enter the computer. Don't worry, it is now very easy to find the source of the Windows blue screen error. Now, according to my research, I found such a program. Download it for free from the site you see on the internet to your computer and install the program. And run it. I had downloaded it before. We installed the program on our computer. Then we click on the analysis button. The program analyzes and gives the results. As you can see, the analysis results are over, and the reasons for the errors according to the dates are written as follows in this section. The problem on my computer is a driver error. As you can see, the problem is caused by the wireless driver. By installing the latest version of this driver, the problem will most likely be solved, and you can also detect the Windows blue screen error on your own computer in this way. If your computer has a blue screen error and your computer does not open at all, the situation seems a little more difficult. What should we do in this case? What could be the reason for this situation? If you have a backup file, you can restore your computer. The last resort is to install a new Windows. In some cases, viruses may have entered our computer and deleted the files on our computer. Or your computer may have a hardware error. Usually these are disk, video card, and RAM errors. I hope I was able to help. See you in another video. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Have a good day.